What is up everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to set up Brother HLL5212DW printer and download or install drivers. So first of all, open browser and search here printer. Now click on official website and here you can select a window and then click on OK. Now click on printer driver and here you can download your printer driver. After download your printer driver, then open your downloaded files and here you can install your printer driver. After install your printer driver, then go back and open settings and click on printer and scanner. Now click on add device and then click on add manually. Now follow these steps for add a printer. Now here you can see my printer will be added. Thanks for watching this video.